I already have started editing this new YouTube video, but I still needed some lines and words to try to explain the amazing adventure we had. It was insane. So we just returned from Italy, where I received an award. Here it is, you can see my name on it, and it was an amazing ceremony. It was in the Palazzo Borghese. It was beautiful. Napoleon's sister, she used to live there, and she had excellent taste. So the whole ceremony, it was really a joy. It was fantastic. But first, I want to tell you more about Florence, because we traveled a few days earlier to explore the city. So back to that ceremony. It was finally there, the moment, and the ceremony was really in the most beautiful hall of mirrors I think I've ever seen. It was a very traditional ceremony, lots of talking, lots of it in Italian. I didn't really understand everything, but it was okay because I could just look around. Also there excellent paintings and decoration and statues. It was great.